The powers belongs to Allah, the most kind and the most merciful. A very good afternoon to everyone and side by side, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. The girl was standing with a heart full of dreams and eyes tell thousand stories. Her name is Abia Boozer and the bright writing a story of the great personality of Mr. Boozer and Mrs. Shaina Khatun. I am the student of Future Group Language Center, a place where dream comes true. So today I will talk about that woman who was very brave, very confident and very strong. She was not only good at heart but also very powerful in her thoughts. Courage was like fire and spirit is like steel. She lived for her land and fought for her land. Yeah, I'm talking about the great Rani Lakshmi Bai and the unforgettable Queen of Jhansi. Rani Lakshmi Bai was one of the most brave and fearless women in Indian history. She was born in 19th November 1828 in Varanasi. Her childhood name was Manikarnika, but people used to call her Manu. She lost her mother at a very young age, but her father took care of her, gave her education. Manu was different from other girls of her time. जब दूसरी लड़कियां घर के काम करती थी तब मनु तलवार चलाना, घोड़सवारी करना और धनुष चलाना सीख रही थी. She was very bold, very strong and very confident. People used to say that she was like a boy in courage and strength. Later, she was married to Raja Gangadhar Rao, the king of Jhansi, and then she became the queen of Jhansi. After her marriage, her name became Rani Lakshmi Bai. She had one son, but unfortunately he died very young. Then the Raja Gangadhar also died. She lived with their responsibilities. At that time, the British wanted to take Jhansi under their control. उन्होंने डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ लिप्स के नाम पर झांसी को कब्जा करने की कोशिश की, बट रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ने डिसाइड किया कि वो अपना राज्य किसी को नहीं देगी. She said one very famous and very beautiful line is मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी. She fought bravely with British soldiers. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई अपनी तलवार लेकर घोड़े पर चढ़कर लड़ती थी, and she used to tie her son back and fight in the battlefield, and she was not afraid of death. उन्होंने अपनी फैमिली तक को छोड़ दिया सिर्फ एक देश के लिए. वो अपनी जान की परवाह तक नहीं की क्योंकि बस उनका एक ही सपना था कि भारत को आज़ादी मिले. But on 18 June 1858 she was died Gwalior while fighting against the British Army. She was only 29 years old at the time, but her bravery still inspires us. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई की कहानी सिर्फ एक कहानी नहीं, एक लेसन है. She showed the whole world that girls are not weak. बेटियां भी कम नहीं होती. We also can do everything. Nowadays our parents don't allow to go outside, especially लड़कियों को, because they feel unsafe. बहुत केसेस होते हैं, बहुत रेप होते हैं, लोग गलत सोच रखते हैं. Our parents say that girls will not be safe if they go outside. But रानी लक्ष्मीबाई से हमें ये सीखने को मिलता है कि लड़कियां भी अपना देश बचा सकती हैं, अपना घर बचा सकती हैं और सब कुछ कर सकती हैं जो लड़के करते हैं. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई अपनी लाइफ से प्रूव कर दिया है कि women can do everything. If she can fight with British army with sword and horse, so why we can't study? Why we can't go outside and make a future? अगर रानी लक्ष्मीबाई अपने बचपन में ही तलवार उठाकर प्रैक्टिस कर सकती थी तो हम भी अपनी लाइफ में स्ट्रॉन्ग बन सकते हैं. She tell us that no matter if you're a girl or boy, courage, strength and love for your country can make you immortal. आज भी हर स्कूल, हर स्टोरी, हर बुक में उनका नाम लिया जाता है. उनकी कहानी सुनकर हम लड़कियों के दिल में आग जलती है कि हम भी कुछ करेंगे, हम भी दुनिया को दिखाएंगे कि हम भी कम नहीं. She was a daughter, a wife, a mother and still to become a warrior. आजकल के पेरेंट्स को समझना चाहिए कि लड़कियां सिर्फ घर चलाने के लिए नहीं होती, वो देश भी चला सकती हैं. वो सिर्फ पढ़ाई करने के लिए नहीं होती, वो दुनिया के हर फील्ड में आगे बढ़ सकती है. If our Rani Lakshmibai could make her name immortal in history at just 29 years old, then we too can become strong in our lives and follow in her footsteps. Rani Lakshmibai was not just a queen, she was the spirit of freedom. She is the reason why today we proudly say that India had a women warriors who fought equally like a man. आज जब हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें बाहर भेजने के पढ़ाने के लिए डरते हैं तो हमें उन्हें रानी लक्ष्मीबाई की कहानी सुनानी चाहिए ताकि उन्हें लगे कि बेटियां कमजोर नहीं होती, वो भी एक दिन अपना नाम हिस्ट्री में लिख सकती हैं. Thinking about his life brings energy in our heart. We were proud that India had a brave queen. She lived for her country and died for her country. And this is why she will always be remembered as the daughter of India. गीत और गजल में सिंगार है नारियां, वक्त आ जाए तो तलवार है नारियां. हाथों में चूड़ी देखकर कमजोर ना समझ, हाथों में चूड़ी देखकर कमजोर ना समझ, पापियों की लंका फूंकने वाली अंगार है नारियां, पापियों की लंका फूंकने वाली अंगार है नारियां. Thank you for giving your expensive time to this video.